What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Broke Misfits episode. Today I bought, or not today, I bought it actually 2 months ago. I bought a 2021 F150 and I thought I would do like maybe a real person review. Like, I actually bought it. From all the research I've done, it's exactly what I wanted. Even though I am a Ford guy, but I'm not gonna make this biased, or I'm gonna try not to. And I just thought I'd show you guys how I've been enjoying it the past couple months, and just give a honest, good review of what it's actually doing, what kind of numbers it's actually producing. And so I'll do a little walk around here and you guys can check it out. It is a 2021 F150 crew cab short bed. It's a XLT sport package. It has the Powerboost, so that's probably going to be the big thing that we're going to talk about. So that is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, but it's also a hybrid. So yeah, which is pretty dope. So we'll go over the options here. I'll show you guys the inside here in a second. So here's basically here's what it has. It is the XLT series, 3.5 liter Powerboost full hybrid, 10-speed auto trans. It's got 373 electronic locking rear axle. It's got the 7350 GVWR package, tow technology package, integrated trailer brake, 360-degree camera package, co-pilot assist, built-in nav, power sliding rear window, liner tray style with carpet mats, pro power on board. So that's a really big thing that I really wanted. I wanted the full power in the bed, which I'll show you guys here in a second. It's got the interior work surface, which is the table here in the center console. I'll show you guys that too. Sport appearance package. It's got the all-terrain tires with the gloss black wheels. So right here, I guess we'll talk about this. It says it gets 24 miles. It gets way better gas mileage than 24 miles a gallon. I've been not getting on it, but I'm driving it pretty normally. And I got about, we got a helicopter. We got, hang on, helicopter. Somebody's mowing the lawn. So, at any rate, I've been getting like 26 plus miles to the gallon. I'm 26, 27, 28 miles a gallon. And when I drove up north, I got like 34 miles to the gallon. And that's with like probably 45-minute drive, mostly highway. But even in the city, I mean, everything shuts off and it goes full like hybrid mode. And I've had it on electric mode doing 65 miles an hour on the highway, just like coasting in electric, which is just awesome to me. It's super, super cool. Come on back, and here's your full onboard power. So here it is, all back here. Got your, your 220 regular plugins here. And I have ran a chop saw. As you guys see, I do construction, so that was a big thing that I wanted. So I ran a chop saw off this truck. It did not skip a beat. It was pretty crazy. What's going on here? It was pretty crazy how it did not skip a beat, even though it can run way more. I'm sure you guys saw maybe on the news, if you are searching this truck, guys running their houses in Texas when all the power went down, which is like insane. Like, as soon as this truck came out, like, I just knew this is the truck I wanted. Interior, I guess let me move this. Whoop. Interior is gorgeous. Like, this interior blows away, all the other trucks that I've seen. I know there might be a lot of Dodge guys that say, oh, my interior is better, but this is just, everything feels so nice and put together. I guess let me hop in, and I guess I'll show you the back seat here. So I have the seats folded up, and look how much, the room, F-150s have always had like an insane amount of room, but it's just like, So you got your plugins down here as well. So I'll hop in here. Okay, so let me move my hand sand, my Yeti, turn the truck on just for fun. That's how it's gonna turn on. I got 4,200 miles on her. I've been averaging 21. It was averaging about 25, but then I hooked up a trailer to it, and I didn't reset the average miles per gallon, which we will get to that here in a second. The interior work surface, you hit this button here, that folds down, and then this flips into a table, which is super awesome, especially for like us construction guys. It's super nice to be able to have somewhere to fill out your paperwork, time cards, or have lunch. A lot of times having lunch in the truck like this is huge to have that. Then you just flip that back up. No, you cannot do that. And while you're driving, that my wife asked, or like road trips, can we be snacking on the table? No, you cannot do that. Here's your main menu, and another sweet thing is the CarPlay. Like, this is my whole entire phone right here, which is awesome. Like, I can go home here. This is your phone. I've never had this. I'm coming from a way older vehicle, so this is just blowing my mind. CarPlay, and then this is just like forward nav. And then it's got all your features here, like your zone lighting. So this truck has the zone lighting. Ooh, we just started up. So I can turn on whatever corner light of the truck. I can turn it on with my phone, or of course on the truck. I guess we can click on that. See, I can choose what side of the truck I want to turn on. Towing, Pro Power onboard, so that's how I can, it's not on right now, but all I have to do is click generator mode. It sends all the power to the bed. So if I want to plug in anything, you can use that while you are driving, which is cool. So if you want to charge something while you're driving around. So yeah, here's the interior. Again, have the back seats up because I just like having room back there. I guess let's check under the hood. So here's under the hood, which is super interesting. Here's like your hybrid stuff here. Like, look at the wires come out of that thing. So this was super interesting to see popping the hood when I first got it, to see kind of how everything works. Yeah, like 4,200 miles, obviously 0 issues. I got the oil change at 1,000 miles just because like we're break-in, even though they don't exactly tell you that you have to do that. But that's just what I wanted to do. I guess we'll get some more outside. So anything that the truck does, my phone can do it. I can do it on my phone. I love that it came with these wheels. Just the outside here. Oh, it's got lane assist. So the lane assist, you know, obviously keeps you in between the lines on the highway. And then it's also got, when you turn on the cruise control, it keeps a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. And when that car slows down, your truck slows down to the correct speed. And then it will speed back up and it will come all the way to the stop if it has to, all by itself, which is super awesome. It's super cool to see. I got this in the bed here for your clamps. So you can clamp down here on the bed if you want to cut something here, because you have your full onboard power in the back. I'll show you something else that's kind of cool. Shut that baby. Boom. You just do that right here. Hit it on the old keys. It's got tie downs right here that are also bottle openers. So that's pretty sweet. Coming back around here. What else does it have? So it's got American flags here on the side. It's got the map of Detroit on all 4 doors. So I'll show you that here. Woo. I'll hop back inside here because So this also has, like I said in the beginning, it's got the Pro trailer package. So this it comes with a box that you mount onto your trailer, and that's what so that connects with the truck, so it reads the angle of the trailer. And then obviously all that right here, which another crazy thing is this high res camera it has. That's a front camera, and then you can choose if you just want the front. This is like a 360 front, so you can really get a wide range. And then this is for, you can see what's in the bed, which is obviously super cool. And then again, there's your 360 camera. And then you just go back to that, boom. So, anyway, back to this. So when you're backing up the trailer, like if I want it to go left, I can turn this left and it will turn the steering wheel for me, so that if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to turn like the other way to make the trailer go that way, the truck will do it for you. And then here's like your brake controller, and then here's your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4 low, and drive modes, and you push that, and that's what locks the rear diff if you need to do that. But here, the animation in this is really cool. So I'm gonna turn this knob here, and this is what's gonna pop up. I'm gonna, boom, we got normal, tow haul, eco, sport. Ooh, so obviously everybody's gonna want to see this. So that kind of changes the gauge. The gauge is here to like a dark gray and red. Let's see here. It also tells you how many miles you've done in electric. So I've done my 4,200 miles. Out of that, I've done 553 electric miles. That's my run time. Let's see here. So we're gonna flip through back these again, back to normal. And then we got slippery, deep snow and sand. Ooh, automatically goes into 4-wheel drive if you go to mud and ruts. And that's it. So we got mud, ruts, deep snow and sand, slippery, and back to normal. And it automatically goes back to 2-wheel drive for you. Which is crazy. This truck things just on its own, and it's crazy luxury to have. Super happy I have it. Like, this is awesome. It's a dream come true to be able to buy a new truck like this. It's also got automatic high beams, so it is crazy how it works. And I get made, or some people have been like, oh man, like it's not that hard to flip on your high beams, you know. But it's, you know, everybody forgets sometimes when you're driving, you forget that you even have them on. This automatically shuts them right off. And it's crazy how smart it is when you're driving and it has high beams on. As soon as the car is like cresting the hill, boom, drops it back down to normal, which is just awesome. And then right after that, flips them right back on, which is another thing that I really like. One of my favorite parts here is, of course, it's got climate control for both sides. So me, I like it pretty chilly in here, but like my wife, you know, she usually has her heated seat on and a totally different temperature over there. And another one of my favorite things, it's super simple, is this switch, the fan. Oh my gosh, flipping this switch, you're gonna love that. It's like, it feels so just, oh, industrial. It's awesome. So here we got our cup holders. We got this little thing. What they've had in this in the F150 for a while, they've had this slot, which is super nice. That's where I put my wallet. And then they also have a phone holder in here, so that's where you hold your phone while you're driving, which is super nice. USB, another plug in there. Flip open the center console. Obviously pretty huge. There's all the extra wires for the onboard system. A couple cup holders there. I keep this here so my sweaty arm doesn't ruin that. And then here, that flips up as well. And boom, you just lock that back down. So yeah, I guess now maybe I'll just be quiet, and if anybody has any questions, just comment down below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability of, you know, how I feel or how it actually works, you know, owning the vehicle. I'm sure we'll have some future videos. And I guess maybe now I'll just shut up and do a little walk around. So real quick before I start being quiet, I did, as soon as I got the truck, I took it to Line-X. And I got everything Line-X, all the frame, all the suspension components, the wheel wells here. Got it all Line-X, and it being so new, they gave it a lifetime warranty because it had a couple 100 miles on it when I took it to them. They did all underneath the truck, and then it's actually getting ceramic coated next weekend, so that'll be very nice. But yeah, I guess now I'll just, and the power of this thing, like I came from a 2000 F250, or I came from 5.4s. I grew up with 5.4 F150s, F250s. They were such dogs, and now just having these twin turbo V6, it is just absolutely mind-blowing how awesome and how quick, and not only how quick, but they still get like amazing gas mileage, which is a big thing because I drive a lot. So that's what made, as soon as they came out with the Powerboost and I saw how good a gas mileage it got, I knew that I could drive that, you know, every day. Yeah, so leave a comment down below, leave a like, and let me know if you guys want to see anything else on it. I have towed with this truck already. I towed my side-by-side on a 7x14. I don't remember what my trailer is. I think it's a 7x14 trailer. With my Yamaha YXZ, which is videos on this channel, so go ahead, check those out. We do lots of other things, not just reviews on cars. We work on cars, we ride quads, we do side-by-sides. Anyway, I towed with it, and it was like, it wasn't even there. It was so awesome. Such a relief just to drive up north with no hesitations, no hiccups, just cruising. And like, you'd be in 10th gear, 75 mile an hour, and you would start creeping up a hill and didn't even downshift, just pulled right up it. I will tell you though, pulling my side-by-side, that 26, 27, 28 miles a gallon, I got 12 miles a gallon on a 3.5 hour drive, towing my side-by-side, fully loaded truck, side-by-side in tow, air on, 70, 75 miles an hour, I got 12 miles a gallon. And in this truck, they do, in the manual, it says recommended 93 when towing or when it's hot out. So I've been running 87, but when I did tow, I did run 93. So that was something. But yeah, 12 miles a gallon, towing my side-by-side. But driving it normally with my truck full of my tools here, I mean, I would say average is probably 27 miles a gallon. Even though my truck doesn't say that, I just haven't reset it since I towed the trailer, so that kind of knocked it down a little bit. But at any rate, that's that, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Instagram, and we'll talk to you guys later.